the second video in our Autism Awareness month series, as part of Homelife, is all about gymnastics. So quite a few of the people that I work with and give me their insights into sensory processing difficulties absolutely love gymnastics, or have some kind of acrobatical skills, if that's a word, which they really enjoy, are really good at and need within their everyday lives. So if we think about gymnastics, we receive a lot of body awareness. So we're receiving lots of feedback from our joints and our muscles. So it might be that someone's hyposensitive to proprioceptive information. They found a way of being able to give themselves that input by doing the flips and the spins and the jumps. Also, the clothing that they wear is highly supportive of proprioceptive inputs. So lycra clothing, fitted clothing, really great to tell me where my body is and what it's doing. I can constantly feel it. There's nothing flapping around in the air while I'm moving. Again, it can be that someone's seeking hyposensitive to vestibular input, so that sense of movement and gravity. Loads and loads of movement when we're thinking about gymnastics and we're thinking about acrobatics. We're spinning, we're jumping, we're whirling, all of those things which we might be looking for if we are seeking that movement, we're getting in intense amounts when we're doing gymnastics and when we're doing acrobatics. Now, when we're receiving information from both of those sensory systems, we're also supporting our interoceptive sense. So our interoception is the awareness of when we might need to go to the toilet, when we're hungry, when we're thirsty, when we're tired, when we can feel our heart beating. So when we're exercising, we're receiving a lot of internal information about our bodies. So it's highly supportive of our interoceptive sense. It's also about our well-being and our awareness of our internal sense of well-being. So things like yoga are really supportive of our interoceptive sense. It might be the visuals. So again, vestibular sensations and visual processing work really closely together. We rely on the two. So if you think when we're jumping, when we're spinning, when we're whirling around, we're receiving a lot of visual information. What's happening in our environment is changing. So it might be that someone loves their gymnastics because they're going to be getting all of that movement sensation and all of that visual input as well. And for other people, it might be a way of being able to reduce that overwhelming feeling from processing too much auditory input. So they might be ignoring or blocking out or focusing on the movement and the physical feeling of the gymnastics, and that's helping them to block out and to reduce what they're hearing in their environment as well.